1 month ago, I invited my friends to come see my new office, and it was totally empty. And today, they're all coming back. Now that it's done, let's get their reaction.
Yo, what?
You came into the space, it was
Empty.
empty. And now I want to walk you through, and we'll give you a little tour.
All right.
I know we're hopping right into it, but
No,
it's
it's
good
all
to see you.
Dude, can I swear? Cause like this is insane.
Starting off, we got the ping pong table.
Should play some, a little bit.
You want to hit? You want to hit back and forth?
Yeah, why not?
Oh, all right, you're better than me. Let's walk this
Okay,
way. Okay, we'll come this
we'll
way.
work.
We got the Porsche sitting in the middle.
Dude, and you've done amazing to it. Cool.
So yeah, we just brought
this?
2 desks in here and just a space like, you know,
like-
if anyone wants to come and work, you should come here, hang out. So we've put, oh my God, hours and hours and hours over the last 2 months into this space. And I think something you'll appreciate is that we wanted to like show as much character and make as many things as unique as possible, but also to myself outside of the market. So let's just start by going around this way. Another desk, bought the Bobby chair, little mini golf, little
Yep,
putting
I've seen that.
green.
Yep.
Do you play golf? No,
Not that much.
not that much. Try it out.
Dude, I haven't played golf in a hot minute.
Let's see it. Hole in one. Oh!
Dude, I'm done.
Well,
I'm
do you
done,
think you can
dude.
get it in one?
Yeah, I'll give it a shot. No way. Okay, if he can get this,
about one.
I'm not golfing this summer.
We want to like mix indoor outdoor, so that's why we did like the grass kind of carpet, you know.
Yeah, this is an insane touch.
Yeah.
Wait, sit test.
Test it out. Test. It's a really comfortable couch.
Oh yeah.
Fall,
Nice.
Fall into it.
It's like clouds. We've had some pretty good ratings today. Like, you kind of just sink in.
Yeah, that's good.
It's actually nice. I'm getting old office vibes.
Yeah,
Nostalgic old
It's
office
just so
vibes.
much bigger. I bet you love the tall ceiling.
Yeah, I'll pause this so we don't get copyrighted. So yeah, the tall ceilings are amazing. We were
Nice.
joking about like building a second level. Like
Yeah,
you really
that would
could
be
though.
that would be cool. You should definitely do that.
Did you make this?
Yeah, so we made this.
You
Out of-
wrapped this
yeah.
personally?
Yeah, and all the boards, these were from the gym walls, and then the turf was from the floor, and the inside is actually made out of pallets because we had leftover pallets and we made the coffee table, and the whole structural part of this is the pallets.
Oh, this is sweet.
Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
And then we got some surfboards.
I see.
We went to the local surf shop here and we met the owner and he took us back to their like surfboard graveyard.
Okay.
And he told us like the story behind both of these boards. One of them was his, one was his friend's. But it's, you know, it's the golf, it's the surfboard, boarding, like this is all stuff that I do outside of trading. So you guys obviously all know that I trade in the stock market, and if that is something that you're interested in doing, and if you want to trade live with me every single morning, I will put a link in the description below. You can check out my mentorship group and what I have to offer as a coach in this space. All right, hope you're enjoying the video. Let's get back into it. And then we have the gym.
Dude.
Yep. So I think we pretty much got everything you need to work out.
Yeah,
It's
this is
all
cool.
commercial grade gym equipment.
Wow.
And obviously like custom walls, mirrors.
It's really cool. These
And-
mirrors make it feel bigger.
Yeah, it just opens up the space. Also when you're lifting, you know, you've got the various angles to kind of check your form. The goal was to make this like minimalistic while still having all the equipment that's necessary for a workout.
Yep.
I didn't want to put a bunch of machines in here. I want to keep it pretty simple.
I love the floor area. It's sick. And then the sauna is dope.
And then we got the sauna. So it runs at like 125, 130. If you do like 30 minutes, 40 minutes in here, I mean, you'll be sweating. And it's a really good way to like kind of end a workout. Have you seen the market recently?
I haven't been looking at
Oh my
anything you've
God.
been doing.
Up and down. I know.
I haven't been able to. I've been dying.
That's commitment. I had all of these guys like unfollow us everywhere on social media so they wouldn't see anything, so we could get their true, proper, genuine reactions.
I've been itching.
So
I've
thank
been
you.
itching.
That's good.
I was like,
You can refollow us now.
Yeah.
You go crazy. Oh, dang.
Come in. Straight to
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. You haven't seen me for a while. Like and subscribe. Go watch our videos.